winner gets a gift card. They're trying to go. Yeah! Yeah! All right, let's go. Round one. We're going against the flag. Here we go. Why the fuck are you freezing?
Who was it? Was it you? Tell me it was you. Whoa.
Tell me it was you. Tell you
More moments later.
Gentlemen, it's cold. Are you ready? 3 hits and you're out. If you get hit 3 times, you're out.
It is too cold.
Hey, sorry for my legs. It's okay. All right, gentlemen, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Who's dead?
No! The wind keeps...
He's got a shield. If he's dead, he's dead too. Take your flag and victory. Doesn't feel that you lost. All right, how do you feel? First win?
Good.
How you feeling?
Oh, my freezing. Because I shot myself in the eye. Shot himself in the eye? I've been cracking way too many jokes recently.
All right, how are you feeling after the round 1 loss? You gonna come back or what? Like,
How do you want to go about that? Right or left?
Right.
Yeah, because I shot myself in the eye.
You just have to get to that area behind him. Look how open it is.
Yeah, on God. Get behind them, you think?
Yes.
dude, Jerry flanked the out of Tyler.
Are you guys ready?
No. Can't feel my
One eternity later.
3, 2, 1, go! Horse. I lost my boot. Oh, he's dead! Jerry's dead! I just saw Jerry ate shit.
I had to get him out of here first. And then you came out of nowhere. Pretty bad. Yeah.
Wait, who even won? You guys? Yeah. I'm gonna say, I didn't know who won. Wait, how? What happened to you?
I'm a shield. Work smarter, not harder. Over the woods? What the hell are you doing? I'm going to my car. Can we hang out in the car? Yeah. Hell yeah.
12 seconds later.
I put it my glove. Oh, hell no, my fault. Yo, my fault, my fault. Stop! I got it. You need to quit whatever you're doing. I feel fine. Don't take to my car. I can't when you have a chainsaw.
What is wrong with this guy?
I don't know.
Oh, that's not. What? Yo, that's on. It's gotta be Logan Paul videos all over again when he got banned. What the? Hey, Tommy, look who's here. Look at this.
Oh my god.
All right, it's been 2v3 right now, so you're gonna join Javier.
hat, bro. That's Ryan's hat.
Yeah, that's mine. Oh, look at that! 3, 2, 1, go! Are they hiding? Probably hiding. Go! I hear trees creaking.
Okay, let's do it.
Here we go. Oh, Cherry's back. I don't know where they got that.
That's kind of bullshit. It's already 3v2.
Well, you guys had the better gun. My boot.
Keep on running.
Morris can't hurt you. Is it actually jammed?
Yeah. Here, help me real quick. Pop that open right there.
I get there. What is happening?
Could just be because there's no ammo. It doesn't have enough pressure.
Oh, this is you. I don't know what happened.
5 minutes later.
Gather, children, gather. Welcome to the final round. We got. I don't even.
You think shoot more than 5
Tyler and Morris versus Liam and Tyler. One more catch to the flag. The winner gets a $50 Bass Pro gift card.
On YouTube. You're defending? So it's attack and defend?
Yeah, attack and defend. Just, it's like Rainbow. Rainbow Six.
FBI, open up!
Where are we gonna have cover? Any of these buildings? Alright, here we go. Alright, Tommy, wait up, what's your strat here?
Stay warm because I'm freezing.
Yeah, this seems stable. That's real stable.
Get on the roof. I think we've been out here for too long.
The first big video of 2025, here we go.
I think I kissed you for snow videos.
Yeah.
Flashback. End of flashback.
Every hide and seek ends with almost a fist fight.
Where is Bro going? I don't even know where to position myself. Maybe in here. Oh, it's warm in here. Let's see.
Alright! You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, here we go. I'm just here. I'm just scared, man. I'm just talking to you guys because it's fun.
Live cam, man.
Live action. They just saw you. Well, they just saw you.
He's got 2 guns?
He's got 2? Oh, no, what's up?
I don't see the flag.
It's right there. There is a storm coming behind us. Oh, who keeps going on? Get the gun, get the gun. That one. Right there, that. We're getting done. Oh, it's running in the open like a He's rushing! Is it broke? Shit! Shit! Oh! I'm losing my boot! Oh! He's gone! He's gone! Oh,